Good morning, this is Tony Tom with WE77. Looks like it's another rainy day in Florida. Go figure, huh? It's supposed to be nice and sunny this summer, but I guess it's not. It's just very, very wet.
Man, I could not fall back asleep. Usually I'd fall back asleep, but instead I'm staring at the ceiling, just like always. Man, this sucks. Rainy days are always a drag. Never can go outside. Never can really do anything. Just rain, rain, rain. Sometimes I'll even stand in the rain. But even then, it gets cold and, well, kinda boring. These days. One of these days. Maybe I'll just go write some movie scripts. Writing movie scripts is fun and exciting. It brings me to different worlds. I feel like I can spend hours doing anything, writing about kung fu masters battling demons, or Spartan warriors fighting on the Persians, or even bombardiers attacking. It's just an escape from the world. It makes me calm. I just hope one day that it'll pay off, making movies, everything. In the long run, I know that it will, but just like everything in the future, you can't tell anything, so who really knows? I don't. I can only hope that what I'm doing in my life is right.